O, tak nie róbcie.
He was just taking out the trash. I think the drill is officially stronger than she is. That's what you call a perfect fit.
No.
Come on, man. You were so close.
Two hands, go, girl. Don't let go. Dad, oh no.
How much you pay for the new guy?
Wait for it. He actually knew what he was doing. No. Oh, no.
Elbow.
Physics always wins, my friend.
I don't want. No, no.
Never seen that tool before, but now I want one. That's gotta be an all-day job.
Викинути найулюбленіші доски і заодно додати трішки жару в буржуйку.
They've been doing this for centuries. Unbelievable. Rain or shine, the job's gotta get done.
Tecnologia! Tecnologia!
That's not how you're supposed to do that. Double the torches, double the heat. This guy's on fire. Took that corner a little too hot, buddy.
Tecnologia! Tecnologia!
That's a hot job, literally.
Tecnologia! Tecnologia! Tecnologia!
Time to make the concrete donuts. That's a serious mixer.
What was that? What the was that?
That's one way to get to work on time.
Oh no!
Look.
What a shot. Do not try this at home.
Who'd you say did the electrical work?
Oh, that would be my nephew, Thomas. He's very handy.
Yeah. What year did his house burn down?
Oh, about 2 years ago. How do you know his house burned down?
How about instead of being a little apprentice boy, use a real man's hammer?
Alright, I guess so.
Whoa, she's got some serious power behind that swing.